This Beiser Realty property video is presented by Rachel Bennett. Clean and beautifully updated ranch in the village of Plover ready to go. Spacious kitchen and dining room easily accessible to the large deck out back. Cozy gas fireplace in the living room that has newer laminate. Per cellar, the roof was replaced in 2011 and new windows in many rooms. Master bedroom has a private attached bathroom. Basement has so much potential, just come see how you can finish for the future. Appliances included. All this and a home warranty to cover the buyer for 1 year. For more information, review the details below.